Right,
Panic,
the panic.
nobody ever knew about it. That's it, very good. When you're ready, right lead canter. Good. Go large. Middle shoulder fore position. Good. At R. 10-meter circle right. Go large. Reins are getting long. At F, 10 meters. Right, obviously. Very good. Go large. Down the center line. Ten meters right. When you get back to the center line, walk. Holy cow. Canter left. Down the center line. That one gave me goosebumps. Very good. When you get to the end, turn left. Meters left. Left leg on so he doesn't fall off the track. Very good. Go large. Center line. Ten meters left. When you get back to the center line, walk. All right, walk on. Canter right. 10 meters. When you get back to the center line, walk. Canter left. Circle left. Nope. That's all right. Just a mistake.
Sorry, Beetle. Sorry, honey.
She forgot she had the brakes.
I did.
Go large. 10 meters left. When you get back to me, walk. Sit back, sit back, sit back. Apple, apple. That was better. And walk on. And counter canter. Good job. 20-meter half circle, diagonal. Half circle, then head back to the picnic table. Very good. Lengthen the canter. Move on. And collect again. Get back. That's it. Good. 10 meters at M. And walk on the rail. Counter canter. That one was lovely. Very good. 20-meter half circle diagonal. Lengthen the canter. Half halt him a little up. Yes. There, good. As if you're going to jump a 3-foot fence in front front of you. Down the long side. Lengthen the canter again. Select him, send him up, and then allow. Allow more with your right hand. Collect him again, down the long side.
What do you want me to do?
Go down the long side and lengthen again. Collect and go. That's it. Beautiful. Collect him again. Good job. Diagonal at X trot. Very good. Transition to walk. Give him a little break. Long rein for a minute.